Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and you are also enjoying and learning from our playlist of previous year question series of each chapter in CBSE Class 10 Physics. Now I brought you one more video. In this video, I am going to explain you and show you the plug key and explain you how to use it and connect it in circuit diagrams. You might have seen this equipment circuit diagrams like this in the textbook, but you might have not seen them in real life how they look like, so and how to use them also. Without wasting any time, let us dive into the video. So this is how a plug key will look like. This is the plug and this is the key. So this one which diagram represents plug key open, this one will be the plug key open. Now if we keep the key here, this dark dot which is there, this is being represented this one. So when we keep this one, this is going to be plug key closed. When we keep this one, it is closed, means it makes the circuit closed. If we remove this one, it is open, means it makes the circuit open. How is it going to happen? If you observe neatly, closely, see there is a gap, right? So there is a gap like this present here. See. So if you keep this one, what happened there? Open circuit has become closed circuit, and if you remove this one, there is a gap happened there. So what happened there? Circuit become open circuit. That's why when you keep this one, this is going to be plug key closed. When you remove this one, it is going to be plug key open. And how to connect? See, these two are the terminals, correct? Where are these two terminals present? These two are the terminals. These two also which are present here will be these two. How to connect wires to those? See now, if you look at this one, this is a threaded part. See, this one is opened, this one is closed. If you remove, if you just wind it up, it will come up. Here we have to place the wire like this. Like this. Like this we can place the wire and we can tighten it. If we tighten it, what happens there? Wire will settle there. Okay, it will sit straight. And this side also, okay, we can place the wire like this and we can tighten it. Like this. This is how a plug key will be used, and to this wire and to this wire we can connect any circuit. Okay, this is how a plug key is being used in a circuit diagram. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. I have already created so many videos, and in the next video we'll study about the ammeter, voltmeter, least count of voltmeter, least count of ammeter, how to find it experimentally. Okay, thank you.